Echelon Smart Connect X-Bike pricing explained what you get for your money. The Echelon Smart Connect bike costs around $199 with a monthly subscription for live and on-demand classes. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a standard spin bike. The surprising truth is that it offers a connected fitness experience with live leaderboard competition and diverse workout options. It features magnetic resistance, a built-in adjustable touchscreen, and Bluetooth connectivity for heart rate tracking and app integration. You can access cycling, strength yoga, and meditation classes from home and sync data to apps like Apple Health and Strava. For your money, you get a fully connected bike with interactive workouts and performance tracking. It's ideal for anyone looking for variety, motivation, and community-driven fitness in one package. In conclusion, the Echelon X combines hardware, software, and interactive coaching to deliver a full connected fitness experience. With classes, performance metrics, and social engagement, it provides excellent value for a smart home cycling solution.